You need to weigh up a lot of things when you come to put solar on your roof. There's feed-in tariffs to take into consideration. There's what your energy consumption is. We will talk to the customer about what is best for them in relation to some customers might be stay-at-home mums and they'll need a system to support energy use during the day, whereas other customers may work all day and they might be better suited to a battery storage system where they can produce the energy through the day and then use it at night when they are at home. Power prices are going up, and although the government has said that they're going to help out with power prices, but I don't know that I've not really seen any of that. With higher quality products, you typically get a better output, long-term benefits, including reduced if zero electricity bills, a definite return on investment. Yeah, more stable energy costs and maybe also a more stable energy supply as well. And a peace of mind to know that the company that they're dealing with is going to be around to support them in the future. They want a system that they've got full confidence in, that they know that the system is going to perform. So it's definitely a win-win for customers. It's an environmental benefit and it's also a benefit for your hip pocket. And it's really important for us to know that the customer understands what they're getting.